In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Bluetooth section. Following that, click on this switcher next to Bluetooth feature to activate it. Then wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. In my case, this one. Now hit pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, tap on this icon next to the device and tap on Unpair under Rename. As you can see, after that, they're disconnected. If you want to connect to the same one, just click on it and tap on Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!